I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Wix app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click on manage down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click on notification settings. You come to next step here. Then you click on your name. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just waiting to open with you here like this. You come here to tips from promoting city set notification. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as main here tips for promoting set enable with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable it. I wish you are great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.